Hey guys, so if you like to play the game Wuthering Waves, I'm going to show you guys how to get a modded version for your device. So as you can see, I'm low, but I can get unlimited Lunites with this. So I'm going to turn it up all the way. So let's see if the Lunites go up, and then I'm going to show you guys how to download this Wuthering Waves hack for free Lunite. So let's see if it increases at all. You can see I got 2,879, which is not really enough for me. But let's see if we can raise that at all. So come on now, where's my money? Yo, wait a minute, this actually works. So I'm going to show you guys how to download Wuthering Waves hack for free Lunite. Oh my gosh. So this is super cool. So I'm going to show you guys how to download it. So just go over to your browser, type in tweakmod.com, and then this site's like covered in modded apps and stuff. Really cool. So I'm going to type in Wuthering Waves, press install. So before it downloads, there's one more step. This is the verification. So all you have to do is download like 2 apps. Follow the instructions. It's completely for free from official app store. So I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So let's just wait for this to download here, as you can see. So yeah, if you ever played Wuthering Waves and were like, oh, I need more Lunite, well, now you have the Wuthering Waves hack tutorial video. So I'll show you guys how to do it. So as you can see, it's loading right here. So I'm just going to give it a second to load up. So at the end, guys, it's going to say like missing files or something. So you just want to download some of these apps. So like Travel Town says reach level 9. So it's like a game. So I just press continue, go to the app store, and then play this till I'm level 9. So I mean, we're trying to get unlimited currency in a game. So playing another game to do that isn't that hard. So this one's like reach level 9, right? Then go back to the list, see what else we got in here. So we got Mode Casino. This one's like install the app and open it. So yeah, just do a couple of these and then you'll have the Wuthering Waves hack for free Lunite. So I'm going to go to the App Store and type in Wuthering Waves just to show you guys how expensive it is. So let me just type it in. I don't know if it will come up. Yeah, I guess you got to be exact. But yeah, you don't need the game installed because this is a separate modded version. But as you can see, guys, it is super expensive. So if you want to pay, that's up to you. But chances are, if you're watching this video, you're not really involved in the payment scene. But yeah, that's how to get unlimited Lunite on Wuthering Waves. So this is super cool. So I'm going to see you guys in another video. So be sure to subscribe to the channel, guys, if you want to see more videos about Wuthering Waves, free Lunite. This is super cool, guys. And I've done a couple little tutorials in the past about this game, but I was really trying to get the community involved here. So yeah, this is super cool. So I'm gonna see you guys later, but yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel if you want to see more videos about Wuthering Waves, free Lunite. Just leave it in the comments. So yeah, this is super crazy. So I'm gonna see you guys in another video, but yeah, subscribe to the channel, guys, because I am nothing but a provider of these tutorials and I just want to help. So yeah, this is super cool. So be sure to get the word out, guys. This actually works. So yeah, if you want to get rich on Wuthering Waves, now you know the secret method. This is super cool. So I'm gonna see you guys later, but yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel. This actually works. It's super fun. So yeah, I've done a couple videos about this stuff before, so I just thought you guys would be interested. But yeah, that's how to get Wuthering Waves hack for unlimited Lunite. So be sure to try this out for yourself. I'm gonna see you guys in another video. But yeah, I mean, if this video works for you guys, definitely share it. I mean, this is really cool and it's updated. So yeah, I mean, let me know in the comments your favorite part of the game. But yeah, this is super awesome. So yeah, peace out.